So I had two models of the solar system for you here. The way people thought it used to be and the way we know to be true now. So we know that the Earth and the planets are orbiting the sun. And this is set up, for today. It's August. And so Earth right here in its position and how the other planets are located. And so you can see the little tags here, Mercury and Venus and Saturn and Neptune here in black, Mars in gray. I don't know why they didn't make Mars in red. Uranus in red, Jupiter in purple right here. But that's where the planets are in their orbits around the sun currently. Versus, what people used to think is, before Copernicus was able to publish his work with, his evidence that the Earth is being orbited by the other planets and the sun. Well, if this model were true, the sun, and this is Mercury and Venus, they are all close together. So I don't know if you can see it, but in this model, they're actually welded together because they never get far apart. Then out here, you do have Mars in red and Jupiter. And then this would actually represent the moon, and then Saturn back here. But you notice all of these, they're on these little pivots because their only explanation for retrograde motion was that as this body orbits Earth, at some point it must also be making a circle, almost like a loop inside of a loop here. And that would explain why sometimes it appeared that a planet like Mars would go backwards. Well, really, the reason a planet like Mars appears to go backwards is because Earth right here, being closer to the sun, and I'm sure I'm not going to be able to demonstrate this very well, that the Earth's closer to the sun. So there's going to be times where the Earth is getting closer and closer to Mars. Mars is still moving there as well, but then the Earth is moving faster. The Earth's going to pass by Mars, and that's going to cause Mars to appear to go backwards from what it's normally doing. It would be like you and I passing a vehicle on the interstate. It's almost like they're going backwards rather than us going forward. Similar type of effect, but that's why Mars appeared to go backwards in the sky. But that retrograde motion is easily explained when you put the sun in the center of your model.